Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap Hanover, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving homes can be considered an overwhelming process, especially concerning moving lots of belongings within the busy city of Hanover. Hanover Local TM Movers is here to assist and ensure your move is smooth and stress-free. Our highly skilled team of local professional movers will ensure we pack, load, and transport your belongings swiftly and efficiently. At the same time, you enjoy the beautiful sights on offer and settle into your new home. 3 Movers ensures clear pricing options that fall within your cost range. Our team will work with you to develop a unique moving plan that meets your demands specifically. So for your long-distance move, Hanover Long Distance 3 Movers is the right choice for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hanover Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.